This channel has managed to reach 1.6 million subscribers with just 147 videos. But the most interesting thing is all of the videos on this channel are attracting millions of views. This clearly proves that this field is not only not dead, but also has tremendous opportunities. Another video from the same channel, which was released just a week ago, has received over 1 million views. But the main problem with many beginners is that they think that just uploading a video is enough. They spend their time on the wrong things, do not get any feedback, and eventually give up. But you will not be like that. In this video, I will show you the exact step-by-step process of building a successful channel, from the right setup to uploading your first professional video. But before that, I want to show you a video I made myself, and its quality is higher than many of these successful channels.
Once upon a time in Whisker City, a small kitten named Luna lived with her baby sister, Momo, in the shadows of the city's grand buildings. After losing their parents in a storm,
now go into ChatGPT, just like I did. I wrote a prompt like, make me something like this channel, create 15 3D prompts and write a complete script for the video. And ChatGPT, in a matter of moments, had everything ready, from neat and tidy ideas to 3D prompts to produce images and videos, and even a complete and engaging script for narration and editing. There was no need for a writer, no graphic designer, no professional team. It was just me and the AI. In less than a few minutes, a project was ready that was more professional than most of the content on YouTube. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in the rest of this video. Now that this part is done, it's time to get to the real work. Log into Magic Hour AI. The link to the site is in the video description. For this, I tried several different AI tools. This site is a smart magic box with amazing features. It has built-in features like text to image, image to video, video to video, lip sync, and many more. The reason I recommend this tool is because of my personal experience. I used it and got results that were beyond my expectations. Just create an account with Gmail. After logging in, you will be presented with a simple but very powerful dashboard. Now it's time to enter the AI image generator section. Click on it, and now do exactly as I did. Copy the prompt that ChatGPT created for you and paste it into the prompt section. In the next step, choose a suitable image style from the Art Style section. For example, you can choose between 3D styles, digital painting, realistic, and many other options, depending on the mood of your story. Then enter the Aspect Ratio section and choose the appropriate size. For creating YouTube short videos, the best choice is the 9:16 ratio. Then just click Generate. Wait a few seconds and your magical image is ready. Now repeat this for all the prompts that ChatGPT generated. I entered all 15 prompts one by one so that I could generate all the images I needed for the video. Now that all your photos are ready, it's time to move on to the next step. Image to video, click on this section, and now it's your turn to import the photos you created one by one. Just click on the upload option and import the photos one by one. If you want, you can also enter a prompt or small command with each photo to make the animation style more precise. But if you don't have a specific command, don't worry, your images will easily be converted to video without it. I imported all the photos I had created with the help of ChatGPT one by one. And with just a few simple clicks, I saw that they were all converted into a professional and attractive video. Very fast, very simple, and completely automatic. No need for complicated software or editing skills. Now it's time for another magical section text to video. Click on this section. And again, copy and paste the same prompts that ChatGPT prepared for you one by one. Here you don't even need an image anymore, and just write the text or the prompt, and the AI tool will do the rest. Within a few seconds, a complete animated video will be generated, perfectly fitting the entered text. And still, the most important thing that no other AI can do is that this site can create videos up to 60 seconds long. You won't believe this. I inserted all the prompts that I had previously prepared one by one, and the result? A series of incredibly professional 3D videos that look like they were made with advanced software. And this is where you see the real difference of AI, fast, simple, and professional at the same time. Now it's time to prepare the voice of your video. To do this, log into the 11 Labs website. Take the script that ChatGPT prepared for you, copy it, and paste it into the text input section. After that, just choose a voice from the ready-made voices, or you can even create your own. When everything is ready, click Generate. Now it's time for that golden moment. The moment when all your hard work, all the creativity you put into ideating, recording, and making a video is going to turn into a real work. You've come this far. From the raw idea to creating the initial content, whether it's photos, text, even animation or AI tools. Now it's time to put those pieces together and make it a complete story, a professional masterpiece. Step 1. Open CapCut. It doesn't matter if you're working on a mobile phone or a laptop. CapCut is one of the most powerful free tools these days that can produce the most professional output. Log into CapCut and import all your files into the project one by one. The photos you created with AI, the text you prepared, even the sounds you made with 11 Labs. Bring them all onto the timeline. Every scene, every moment should be in its rightful place. This is where the real magic happens. Give each segment an animated effect. Make the elements of your video seem alive, as if they're talking to the viewer. Smooth text movement, zooming in and out of photos, lighting and motion effects all help your content go beyond amateurish and take on a professional look. And remember, transitions between segments are like gold threads between beads on a necklace. Smooth, flowing, eye-catching. Add subtitles to each scene, not just for people who watch silently, but to emphasize the most important sentences. Use clean fonts, choose colors wisely so that the viewer's eyes don't get tired, but the important content stands out. And it's very important that any text fits the rhythm of the video. Adjust the lighting with CapCut tools. Too much light or too little can ruin the whole feel of your video. Choose a color that conveys the mood of the video, warm and inspiring or cool and emotional. The playback speed is also important. Sometimes a scene needs to slow down to be more impactful, and sometimes it needs to move fast so that the audience doesn't get bored. Step 5. Add the voiceover. That inspiring voiceover you created with 11 Labs? Now is the time to bring it into the project. Time it carefully and meticulously. The sound should be in perfect sync with the image. Not ahead, not behind. The words should be spoken exactly when the image is displayed. Step 6. The music, the feeling, and the soul of the video. No powerful video is complete without music. Choose a soft, emotional, and inspiring background song suitable for your subject. But don't forget, it must be copyright-free. Because your goal is to monetize this video on YouTube or social media, and copyrighted songs can get your video blocked or cut off your income. Now that everything is ready, it's time to render your project in the highest quality possible, preferably Full HD or even 4K if you have the means. Once your video is ready, take a deep breath, because this is the moment you're going to show the world your work. Publish your video on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook video, even Shorts and Snapchat. At first, the views may be low. It may even only be seen by a few people, but don't be afraid. Don't worry, it's happened to everyone, even to Mr. Beast. A true story. It was 2012. A 13-year-old boy with a second-hand laptop and slow internet decided to become a YouTuber. He had no camera, no professional equipment, no audience. He had only one thing, a dream. The boy was called Jimmy Donaldson. But today the whole world knows him as Mr. Beast. His first videos? Nothing special. Minecraft gameplay, videos with 100 views. But he didn't give up. He kept going. He was obsessed. He spent hours on every frame, every sentence, every effect. Remember when he said PewDiePie 1,000 times? Just to be seen. What now? He gives money to people, builds schools, even buys islands. But what really makes him special is not just money, his heart, and his dream. What about you? If you have a dream, if you want to be seen, if you want to one day proudly say, I started from scratch, then it's time. Start. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today, right now. It doesn't matter what you don't have. What matters is what you want to create. Finally, thank you for being with me until this point. If you like this video, be sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment so I can tell you how to take the next step. With your support, maybe one day our channel will have millions of subscribers like Mr. Beast, and together we can make our dream path a reality. Until the next video, shine and never underestimate your dreams.